In the last video, we did a deep investigation into the fraudulent and deceptive practices going on in Amazon. Apparently, vape hoodies are being sold by Amazon sellers. I couldn't believe this and I couldn't let it slide. And speaking of slides, today I found something even more troubling. Amazon Yeezy slides. These things can't be real. Today we're going to be getting to the bottom of this and figuring out what Amazon can do to stop this problem. Watch the videos to the very end to figure out how bad this problem has gotten. Trust me, it's bad. Hey guys, it is Shifter here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and today I'm going to be going over some fake Yeezy slides that I found on Amazon. If you guys didn't know, Yeezy slides are pretty expensive, and when I found these, I thought I was getting them for a steal, but it turns out that they are fake. So let's go ahead and hop onto Amazon and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Taking a look at the first row of Yeezy slides, here is an authentic pair of Yeezy slides. So what I'm wondering about is I found one that was super cheap, which was a little bit suspicious. Scrolling down a little bit, I found this one for $36. I'm going to blur out the seller name up here because I don't want you guys to go ahead and buy this product, but I do want to go ahead and check it out for educational purposes, and I do want to show you exactly what you would get if you were to buy these Yeezy slides, because these fakes are everywhere and it's getting really difficult to go ahead and legit check them. So looking deeper into it, it looks like they actually do have size 10.5 and not size 10, which is actually my size, so I have no choice but to go ahead and get size 10.5 and hope for the best. They do have size 14, which is pretty convenient for people with big feet, but let's go ahead and check out and I'll meet you guys once I get them. So what I'm guessing that they branded this item as their own, basically removing Adidas or any type of slide logo anywhere, because now you can just look at these product pictures right here and you can actually see that they completely removed it. And looking at the people with it on feet, it looks like it still has the same silhouette, but this is definitely breaking a lot of copyright. But I believe Yeezy hasn't copyrighted the silhouette of the Yeezy slide, but it is pretty iconic. Scrolling down, we can actually see the reviews, which it looks like people are giving it really good reviews, so I'm very curious to see what this clone of Yeezy slide looks like. Obviously, I'm not too sure if this is breaking copyright or not because I didn't look at the actual patents, but I believe since it does have the same type of silhouette, it is coming very, very close within the copyright laws of Yeezy. But let's go ahead and check this out, and I'll meet you guys once I get the product. So I actually ordered a few pairs of shoes, so it's not just the Yeezy slides as you can see right here, and they didn't even put them in a box. So I'm very interested to see how they're going to fit, and let's go ahead and get these unboxed. So they came in this plastic bag, and they also have some bubble wrap inside, so I'm going to go ahead and take these out because I'm not sure if I'm going to be keeping them, but I did get these in a size 10.5. I'm not 100% sure, so let's go ahead and put these on. So essentially how these shoes get away with it is that they don't have Adidas anywhere or any type of slide logoing, so that's why they don't come in a box, making shipping a little bit cheaper, and that's why they can sell these. So overall, I will give my opinion on these. These honestly aren't too bad if you're looking for some slides, and they definitely do give off that look. A lot of people will just assume that you have Yeezy slides on, and no one's going to go ahead and validate it. Honestly, no one's really caring about fake Yeezy slides. But what do you guys think about these slides from Amazon? They were prime, so let me know down in the comment section below. It seems like a lot of people have been looking for these, so let's go ahead and put them on. Overall, these Yeezy slides are pretty comfortable. The only uncomfortable part is this little part right here where it actually goes up a little bit. So I believe that these are supposed to be worn with socks. And with a quick Google search, I actually can see it right here that most people are wearing it with socks. So I'm going to be right back. So coming back with some socks now, this is definitely much better. What I will say about this is that you should definitely size up a half size because these are definitely not true to size, and I feel like a lot of people kind of wear it like that, but this little area right here is just so uncomfortable and I'm just not the biggest fan of it. I also do have some other shoes right here. We do have some Yeezy foam runners. I don't have any Yeezy slides to go ahead and compare, but it looks like what happens here is they remove the bottom
of it where it's going to say Adidas, because I believe it does say Adidas inside of the slide. But overall, no one's really looking to go ahead and call you out on some Yeezy slides. I also do have some Dior slides right here, which are a little bit more premium, as you guys may know, and these are actually true to size as well. I will be showcasing these more in depth in my next video, but you can see it has the Dior dust bag. You can see it also does have the Dior tag as well right there, and here's an example of a Dior slide. I'm not going to officially take it out, but what do you guys think about these fake Yeezy slides from Amazon? Although they're not replicas because they are missing the actual Adidas logo and also the box. But honestly, I might even suggest buying some real Yeezy slides, but they are kind of expensive. But if you are looking for a higher quality version of these, you're definitely looking to pay way more than, I believe, $23 I paid for these, or was it $28? I'm not 100% sure. But overall, the quality on these is really, really good, and I will have to 100% recommend these if you're just looking for some slides that look very comparable and actually function the exact same. Even the bottom of the Yeezy slide right there, you can see that it's 1-to-1, and it's definitely very interesting. This is definitely getting your bang for your buck, because you can actually see from the last videos I made on Bape hoodies from Amazon where the quality just wasn't as good, and I feel like, in my personal opinion, a lot of people were looking for something way better, and just the material they definitely sacrificed on. But in terms of material, I'm not really going to be judging it too much, because it looks like this one is a little bit better and it feels very comfortable. As long as something's comfortable, that's all that I really care about.
So now I want to discuss what can Adidas do to stop these problems. With so many different products on Amazon being completely fake and just complete imitations, it's pretty hard to go ahead and stop them all. Especially when Adidas doesn't have a trademark on the silhouette of the Yeezy slide. This is why we're seeing so many different copies of Yeezy slides. There have been other types of Yeezy shoes that are super fake, such as the Yeezy IKEA, which honestly will never be coming out, because IKEA has only collaborated with Off-White with the Off-White rug, which I actually do have the collaboration. The main problems with this slide that I have received is that it's actually not as flexible as usual. And I am recording this a couple of months after, so I did return the product, as I always do with every single product that I receive on Amazon that is fake. And I typically just leave a review just to go ahead and warn people about the product. But honestly, I think Amazon definitely could crack down on some of these slides. They have to approve each product, so it's pretty evident that someone is not doing their job. We actually seen that there's Amazon Bape hoodies that were completely knocking off Bape. I couldn't even believe this, and I believe they could definitely do a better job, especially with Amazon FBA. And if you don't know what FBA is, it's basically where you take the product and you buy it in bulk and you ship it off to Amazon for them to sell on your behalf. So definitely watch out on Amazon, lots of fraud. But I will see you guys next time for the next video on Shift Rate Reviews.